I am going to break down the most strategic means to essentially grow your cake business and make it grow. Amazingly, this strategy works for any business type regardless. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the exact things you need to know on how to grow your business and the exact blueprint strategy on how I did mine.
Lights, camera, action.
What's up, people? I am Fawaz, the Cake Boy. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share videos every week teaching recipes, business, and entrepreneurship. So if that isn't for you, give a little love tap on that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Yes, I'll give this discussion in two standpoints, sales-wise and industry-wise. Because to grow a business, two things are involved: amongst customers and amongst fellow bakers. Now, sales-wise, it's essentially in 6 steps. Talk, give, set, promote, rebrand, and showcase. First off, talk. Talk about your business to everyone on earth, living and non-living, if that is possible. Any place and anywhere you find yourself, create a drastic and quick awareness that you are a baker and specifically that your cakes are exceptional. They say you tell people what you want them to know, so let them know about your business to the large extent. You know your cakes are exceptional, we both always talk about it. Second step is give. Give out free cakes. Wait, before you fight me, I'm not saying you should always give out freebies. Of course, you need to be strategic about it. Me personally, I give out 3 cupcakes to 3 different people, which cost about 2,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Here's the trick behind freebies. To give those 3 people the cakes, make sure you inform them to record an amazing video of them eating the cake and also them giving a specific statement of how they love and enjoy the cake. Ask them for a written, well-constructed review or recommendation. This serves as an evidence for your brand. Easily convince other people to consider your brand and also trust your services. You now see the logic behind give freebies but be strategic. Set. You need to set your standards and be specific. You need to be formal and appear as an authoritative business person. Your cakes are not cheap but affordable. Judging by the recommendation and reviews you got from step 2, is you doubling down on a specific kind of cake and basically being the king in that part. Copy did the trick. Give my business the sudden rise and click was because I intentionally doubled down on cupcakes and made it look as if it was all I knew how to do. I was receiving all kinds of cake orders at that time as well, but then I made it look as if cupcakes was the best thing I knew how to offer to my customers. People still say this thing and say, even though I buy a whole celebration cake from another baker, I would rather always still prefer your cupcakes because you are the king of cupcakes. To be the boss of all, you end up being the servant of many. Find this video and you're not already subscribed, please do. It helps my brand and also keeps me motivated to create more videos like this one. It's free. Promote. You need to promote your cake services and products. Business owner, promoting your products and services is essential. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp TVs, WhatsApp statuses, brand collaboration, sponsorship, what have you or what not. You have to promote your brand and service. Cost you a little bit of money, but then sometimes some are even free. Depth explanation on how to promote your brand, product, and services on social media or any product services. You can watch the video right here where I explain everything that has to do with promotion. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can easily work that out as well. Rebranding. Rebranding your cake business is key. Some people can think it's difficult, but here is the thing. It usually means you creating sorts of packages from time to time about it, and as well creating different other options and inclusive offers, etc and thereabouts. Can say premium packages, standard packages, and basic package. Literally be the least with limited offer. Be in between, like the mid package will be the ultra largest. Just want to make you understand the essence of rebranding and just giving people different options to take from your site. I explained my infinity cake sales technique, cake orders in just a week in 2021. You can watch out that video. It's showcase. Showcasing yourself, brand, personality, and authority. You putting yourself out there and creating the world and atmosphere you want for your business. 79.9% of people love to know the person behind the brand and also have a little bit of information on how the brand or the business is working out there. Show your face and reflect your personality. How to use social media to build your brand and business extensively. And every single thing in my brain about business growth is in that book. I'll leave a link below so you can get a copy. Industry-wise, in part 2 of this video, lots of information I shared earlier, so make sure you check out part 2 to get the full package. You know I love you.